Welcome to another day in the life of a Jamaican mom. Started the day with breakfast because, yes, refilled my little oil container, made the boys their egg sausage and toast. They had pineapple for their fruit. Then after that, I did baby K's hair, and then I got some laundry in, and then we left for swimming. When we got there, I stayed in the shallow part of the water with baby K for a little bit until he was ready to go, and then he had to be a show off with his fancy footwork. He also gave the swim instructor the bad eye and swam out to the boys. The bigger boys ended up getting like an extra 20 minutes in the pool because we were early, and we left them, changed, gave him a snack, some juice and water. He decided that he wanted the water more over the juice. That's fine. Then we left and went home. They got something to eat. Then baby K requested a walk in his stroller. He had napped all day, so we went to bed early. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.